use 4 methods of diagnosing, really looking, listening, asking, feeling. Then, with all that information, the next thing you do is you come up with what they call a pattern of disharmony. So this is where we take everything, all the signs and symptoms, and create what is the pattern, where are things out of balance, and that is how it's really kind of being as comprehensive as we possibly can. Usually there's more than one diagnosis, but you want to focus on the primary one, and then also be working with the secondary one, which is really also a nice thing with Chinese medicine and acupuncture and herbs, is that we're always working with everything. Even though someone's coming in for one thing, and that is definitely what we would focus on, I always make sure, you can see it's pretty thorough. So I will likely, even if you're there for headaches, I'm going to probably be working on your acid reflux too, because all of it will help make you feel better and help everything else. So, and then the treatment itself, basically, usually it's about, I always allot an hour of time to be with someone, and in the first session usually we have more time going over these basic, health history taking. We talk more usually in that time. But then there's always time for a treatment in the first session. But in general, then all follow-up sessions, it's at least 20 to 45 minutes with the needles in. And the main thing is really to just relax with them in. And the reason there's that difference of time is really depends on what it is you're treating. Some things respond better with less time. Some things really respond better with more time. So, it just depends on the condition. But usually I'd say most treatments often are in the middle there, like around 30 minutes. And very tiny here at the needles, like I'll show at the next class, very gentle. It's a very hands-on approach. Like I think you probably get a sense. We're really using, all of our senses to gather information. So it's very hands-on, and the emphasis is on consciously relaxing. Again, so like with this idea of the waterways, we're trying to bring balance to the whole system through our meridian system, through our chi and our energy. And an invaluable part of why that can happen is the body at rest and breathing naturally and in a relaxed way. And then also just mention, it's very common after acupuncture to feel more energy, to sleep better that night. Sometimes for a few nights you really notice you're sleeping better. And immediately afterwards people often describe like a feeling of blissfulness. So a lot of times patients will they'll want to pay and make their reschedule before their treatment, because after their treatment they kind of just aren't ready to go back into left brain operating, So yeah, I guess that's the overview I thought to give.